Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna check out something very new. It is a song called Loveyapa Ho Gaya from the upcoming movie Loveyapa. And this movie stars Khushi Kapoor, her second movie after the Archies. And yeah, let's just say I really like her as a person, but her performance didn't really impress me in the Archies. And we have Junaid Khan. I still haven't seen his movie Maharaj, but I'm so eager to watch this. And at the same time, I've seen a small snippet of his performance in the song Ha Ke Han. I was smitten, let's say that. So I've already seen a little teaser of the song on Instagram and I was like, what the hell is this? It is very over the top, but let's see. I mean, there's some other over the top things that I love. Sometimes these things grow on me, so let's see. Let's check this out. Let's see if this will be cringe or not. We'll see. So guys, before we're gonna check out this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Patreon, ring the bell so you don't miss anything in the future and comment on this video. So guys, let's doesn't sound so bad. Okay, now it's different.
हो गया मेरे जज्बातों का भजियापा हो गया निकला था लव करने लवयापा हो गया
I really don't know what to say. I don't know if I like this or not.
इंट्रो जिसका भैया टाइप्स उससे नैन मटक का सैया टाइप्स मेरे लिए गाए तुम ही हो उसके संग क्यों छैया छैया वाइब्स
कमिटमेंट के नाम पे तुम मुझको उंगलियों पे न जाए फिर भी ये तेरी उंगलियां चुपके चुपके अब भी करती है राइट स्वाइप्स
सिचुएशनशिप में सिचुआपा हो गया साला फोन के चक्कर में फोनियापा हो गया सोशल मीडिया पे मीडियापा हो गया निकला था लव करने लवयापा हो गया यापा यापा
Okay, different concept also. Okay guys, I just looked into the comments a bit and I feel like these are like fake comments because on Instagram this looks totally different. So I don't want to hate this so much. It's not that bad, but it's just feels weird. I mean, the song itself, I have to say the singers sound awesome. I really like the singer. I mean, yes, this is supposed to be a fun song and everything. For that, it is nice. So the concept is also unique. It's something fun, something carefree, but somehow the energy isn't there. It feels... I don't feel the chemistry there. I don't see it. I actually really like them. I like them individually. I like Junaid more as an actor, obviously. I like Khushi more as how she is, how she presents herself, at least on social media. But yeah, it just feels forced, like over the top forced. And we have lots of other over the top things which I really like. But yeah, other than that, the song really gets stuck in your head. That's why I have to say. But yeah, just these comments also. Why isn't there a single comment here so far, what I have seen, that there isn't one negative comment so far that I have seen, and it just feels weird. Because I mean, Khushi got lots of hate also for her performance in the Archie, so this just feels odd that there isn't one negative comment there. But yeah, as I said, I don't want to hate this too much. I really like them. The song itself, it is okay. I like that they wanted to try something new here, just like more fun and everything, and quirky, and all this being so colorful, but it is weird to watch. So guys, please tell me your opinion about the song in the comment section down below. Also, we don't have a trailer for this yet, right? So this is why also it feels weird. We got this one song. What is this movie about? So it's like a modern day rom-com, romance, whatever. So what is this? So that's enough for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Go to follow me and subscribe to Patreon. Ring the bell so you don't miss anything in the future and comment on this video. So guys, that's it. Bye.